So if you own BMW Convertible 3 or 4 Series from about 2009 to 2019 or so, chances are you're gonna have this problem, or might already have one and you paid for it. So I'm gonna show you what it is. I went to BMW and spent $200 for them to tell me how much it would cost to fix this. This is my problem. This was an issue. There are 2 of these on each corner of the sunroof. It's basically just a cosmetic piece that moves back and forth, and it's pulled by this spring over here. So when it closes, it kind of closes tightly, and the slip sits on this part rather than sitting on a seat, which may tear the seat, and then the expense becomes $1,200-$1,500. So BMW tells me that this costs $544 to fix. I said, well, I got to give it a crack or try. So I did. So I bought the part on Amazon, went in, pretty easy repair. It took me half an hour, maybe. Just guide the rope, drive the rope through the couple of little loops and tighten a couple of 2-3 knots, and that's the fix. So I'll include the part number below in the description. But it was just unbelievable that this was the part that cost $540 to fix. I just couldn't take that. So that's the issue, and I'm just gonna use my key to close the sunroof from the outside. But that's basically how it sits now. You're just gonna closes it like that, and the mechanism does the rest. So it's a purely cosmetic piece. It doesn't interfere with anything that the car does or whatnot. But it's just that if not fixed, this slip will end up sitting on your back seat or kind of pressing on it or tearing it, and something will break. And then if that is the case, then things are going to get a lot more expensive. So if you like this video, or if you find it useful, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.